Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a part of an image black and white in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, click the selection tool, rectangular marquee tool. Then click and drag it for select, move select, and press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer. Then you selected full part of black and white or selected part as your wish. I use selected part. Simply click the selection tool, right click on your mouse, click quick selection tool plus then resize for bracket or this size point, click and drag it, minus selection or hold alter. Okay, then click this icon, who saturations, lock the layer, then color. Change the color, simple black and white. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.